Finding the perfect wireless earbuds can be a daunting task, especially with so many options flooding the market. Buyers often end up with earbuds that don't fit well or lack quality sound. In this video, we've narrowed it down to the top 5 wireless earbuds of 2026, each selected for their unique features and value. Stick around to discover which earbuds provide the best sound quality, battery life, and comfort, and find out why our number 1 pick might just surprise you. HAOYUYAN Wireless earbuds, sports Bluetooth headphones, LED power display, earbuds with 80 Hz playtime, noise-canceling headset, IPX7, waterproof earphones for workout, running. These earbuds are designed for fitness enthusiasts who demand durability and performance. With an impressive 80 hours of playtime and an IPX7 waterproof rating, they are perfect for intense workouts or outdoor runs. The noise-canceling feature ensures you can immerse yourself in your music without distractions. However, while they excel in battery life and water resistance, some users might find the sound quality a bit lacking compared to premium models. Apple AirPods Pro. A favorite among Apple users, the AirPods Pro combines sleek design with cutting-edge technology. They offer active noise cancellation, which makes them ideal for commuting or daily use in noisy environments. The transparency mode lets users be aware of their surroundings, a crucial feature for safety while walking or biking. With a comfortable fit and decent battery life, they provide excellent sound quality. The only downside is their higher price point compared to other options in the market, which may not appeal to budget-conscious buyers. Wireless earbuds, Bluetooth 5.4, headphones, bass stereo, earbuds with noise-canceling mic, LED display, in-ear earphones, clear calls, IP7, waterproof Bluetooth earbuds for phones, sports, laptop. These earbuds are perfect for those who seek a balance between performance and price. Featuring Bluetooth 5.4 technology, they promise stable connectivity and superior sound quality. The noise-canceling mic provides clear call quality, making them an excellent choice for remote work or online meetings. They also have an IP7 waterproof rating, making them suitable for use in various conditions. However, they might lack some advanced features found in higher-end models, which could deter some audiophiles. JBL Vibe Beam, True Wireless, JBL Deep Bass, Sound Earbuds, Bluetooth 5.2, water and dust resistant, hands-free call with voice-aware, up to 32 hours of battery life, black. The JBL Vibe Beam is ideal for music lovers who appreciate deep bass and robust sound. With 32 hours of battery life, these earbuds are built for all-day listening. They feature voice-aware technology, allowing users to hear their voice clearly during calls, enhancing communication. Their water and dust resistance makes them great for outdoor activities. The only minor drawback is that they may not fit as securely in smaller ears, which could affect comfort during prolonged use. Soundcore by Anker P20i. True wireless earbuds. 10mm drivers with big bass, Bluetooth 5.3, 30H long playtime, water resistant. These earbuds stand out for offering exceptional sound quality at an affordable price. Equipped with 10mm drivers, they deliver impressive bass, making them perfect for music enthusiasts. The 30-hour playtime ensures they can keep up with even the longest workdays or road trips. Additionally, their water-resistant design makes them suitable for workouts. While they excel in many areas, some users might find the touch controls a bit too sensitive, leading to accidental pauses and skips. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 wireless earbuds of 2026. Each of these products brings something unique to the table, catering to different needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments which earbuds you're most excited about, or if you've had any experiences with these models.